Hi, this is Chris Discotto with Salamander Designs, and I'm happy to be at the farm, which is one of our showrooms in Newark, California. And the farm is our rep for Northern California, for the Rockies, and for the Pacific Northwest. And they have this beautiful new showroom that they call the Farmhouse. So let's go in and take a look, and let's meet John Hood, the owner, and talk to him about this great experience. All right, so I'm here with John Hood. John, you say hi to everyone?
Howdy.
Great. So John, first of all, this is a beautiful experience. Thank you very much for making us part of it. Why don't you tell us a little bit about, what made you do this and how do you see this space being used?
We wanted to create a low pressure environment that our customers and our customers' customers could come in on their own and come experience the Salamander furniture on their own time, take a look at stuff and then not have a whole bunch of people, breathing down their necks while they're here. So this is a space we created for our customers to use for their customers.
What are the other brands that you have on display here that customers can come in and experience that are integrated into the Salamander furniture?
So we feature QSC Audio, Mersive, Philips, Audio Technica. So there's a bunch of technology participants in here, but the main thing we wanted to be able to do was to show the Salamander stuff as it's going to actually be used in real life. So when you sit at a table, you're going to make a Teams call, you're going to make a Zoom call, and you're going to experience the stuff exactly how you're going to use it in your facility.
Come down, if you're in Newark, California, and see everything that they have here. Now, from the Salamander side, they have Salamander huddles, they have a table, they have cabinets, they have our strut wall, and our mobile cart as well. Now, John, you were telling me how even if no one from the farm is here, your AV integrators can actually use this space. Now, how do they do that?
They just call us and make an appointment, and then we'll unlock it remotely or give them a temporary key to get in and disarm the alarm for them, because it is a secure environment.
Right.
So.
And actually, I did that yesterday. I was on a late flight, and I called John. I said, hey, I'd love to come in and just see the space, and I was able to call him. He unlocked it. I came in. One button turned it all on because of great automation that they have here, and I was able to take a look at everything they had. And it's a beautiful environment, and we can't wait to see how we can partner on events.
It's going to be
here
a
at the
gas.
farm.
Yeah, we set up a customized for any, especially our high-value customers that come in. If there was somebody from one of the big logos in the Bay Area, we'll make sure and have the place decked out exactly with their trademarks and their material on all the displays when they come in. So.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, John, thank you very much for having us part of this. Thanks. And again, this is Chris with Salamander Designs, and I'm here at the farm in Newark, California.